You must have a splitter that supports 5 MHz to 1675 MHz. Many installations will require a splitter upgrade. You will also need a coax patch cable. We recommend connecting the patch cable to MaGiC and then connecting MaGiC to one of the out ports of the splitter, and then connecting the hard line to the other out port of the splitter. Then go ahead and connect MaGiC into your configured SFP or SFP Plus port on your switch. You'll then connect your broadband to the switch. The LEDs will light up, showing that there is connectivity, and broadband will be ready to be passed through MaGiC. Next, connect the coax cable going to the premise to the in port of the splitter. This configuration will allow both video and broadband to the premise.